Don Keating here with Ohio weather, and we've got an update tonight. Because Mother Nature is fickle at times, and she is throwing us curveballs about every 12 hours. And the forecast that was put into our video for tomorrow and especially Saturday is changing by the hour. And there's a bit of concern on my part that tomorrow night, and into early Saturday, we could have some thunderstorm activity that could linger for a little while. First off, let's take a look at the area right in here. Well, out here, but we're paying attention to the regional area. And let's take a look at the animated map. You can see how things have really fired up out here in the Illinois area, from Iowa into Illinois. Numerous hail reports, of course, some thunderstorm winds up to 60 miles an hour ahead of this cold front. And that is moving our way. That will make its way through here Friday night. The question is, will it produce any strong storms? Strong, maybe. Severe, not likely at this time. But the probabilities of thunderstorm activity have actually increased a little bit because we've got a couple of shortwave troughs that are going to be associated with this frontal system. And behind it, you can see the ekings of this stationary front. Move up a little bit here. Well, there's the stationary front to our north. That separates the Canadian air to the moderate air to the more humid air. But let's take a look closer at Ohio. I originally tuned in to see what was going on because I understand there are some thunderstorms in central Ohio in the Columbus area, and lo and behold, there are. I was kind of watching the Indians game and got caught off guard. So let's take a look at central Ohio and see what's going on here. You can see in the Columbus vicinity, also down here north of Chillicothe, some thunderstorm activity. I'll zoom in a little further, and you can see in the Gahanna and Reynoldsburg areas, northeast portions of Franklin County. These are some of these are sitting and raining, and where you get sitting and raining, you get a lot of water dropped in a short period of time. So I would say look out for the potential of some localized street flooding in those areas. And let's go a little further south where these other storms are located. Okay, they're down here near New Holland, Williamsport, and approaching the Circleville area as we speak. Okay, those are just diurnal storms that have popped up, and they're still active during the evening because of some instability in the atmosphere. Of course, the humidity's up. It's 91% here at Newcomerstown at 9:19 p.m. But let's go back to that regional map as I want to take a look once more out here in the Midwestern U.S. and see what's going on with these storms. And you can see this initial line is weakening. Thunderstorm warning has been canceled. It expired. Severe thunderstorm watch right here in this blue area. But this again is ahead of this cold front. And keep an eye on the forecast because there is the potential for some strong storms to possibly fire up in isolated areas in Ohio tomorrow into tomorrow night ahead of this frontal system. Once it clears, Sunday should be a beautiful day. But that's Sunday. Okay, so just keep an eye open and keep an ear peeled to the local media. If anything else develops with these central Ohio storms, if they fire up a little stronger than what they are now and produce a little more trouble, I'll come back and give you another update. Give this update a like on Facebook and share to your friends. I'm Don Keating from the Ohio Weather Center.